Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. I'm going to be using this mould today and carrying on with the series I've got going, a new series of videos, not one after the other, of things I've never done, things that I've never done before, other people have done, they're not new things. I'll say that right off the bat, don't come for me. Just things I've never tried, so you can see me fail or succeed. Whichever it is, but I'm going to give a go to the cling film technique. Now I won't be using cling film, this is packaging that came with the moulds, so I've just cut it up and I'm going to be using that. Now I have picked some colours. I've got the resin mixed up, all ready to go. This is Mayspring's pearlescent pigment powder. I love this stuff. It's just really lovely. I'm not affiliated with it at all. I bought these myself. Well, actually, the editor bought me this. This is Imperial Emerald. It's like a really dark teal. It's absolutely beautiful. It's stunning. I'm going to use this around the edge. So we'll get that poured. Let's get some in the resin. You really don't need a great lot with this. It's absolutely wonderful powder. In fact, I want a mould. There's not a great lot of colours. I buy it from Amazon. They've not got a great lot of colours, but they do have a few. So I want one of each. Try them all. Comes out very, very dark, this. But isn't that beautiful? It's really, really sunny here today. And so I've got the boards up at the window so that I don't get moaned at by the editor. So I'm hoping that's coming through. It's so pretty. And I'm just going to do this around the edge. We'll be putting clear down in the middle for the cling film technique. Like I said, I want to try a few things I've never done. And I did ask my members what they thought of it, and they thought it was a good idea, so here we are. I'm just going to pour this. I honestly thought it would go to the next edge, but I guess it won't. Yeah, I definitely made too much up there. I won't waste the resin. It will get used on something else. How is everyone today? I hope you're all okay. I'm not having a bad week at all. It's my good week from work. I get a couple of days off this week, which is nice. It's filming week. I have to get them all done. I'm a mucky pup, that's for sure. Let me know in the comments if you've done the cling film technique and if it turned out alright. Yeah, I'd like to know. I'm hoping and praying this one does, and that I like it most of all. I'm just going to let that cure and then we'll be back for the next stage. I found something for the extra and I thought I might as well share this with you. We've seen this mould before. I think the last time I saw it, it was on Pour Resin with Love, Tina. They are very cute and they look like they could come in handy. Just spread them with some isopropyl alcohol and I'm just going to pour them in. They've got writing on the sides. Might as well have something extra. That one said love. Don't know what that one says. I should have read them really, shouldn't I? It's just such beautiful colour. I'd be ashamed to not do anything nice. I have a lot of little moulds off to the side, but they're just bits of stuff really. I tend to make fridge magnets with them, and if anybody orders anything off me, I pop them in the order. Well, I never, it did all four. Fancy that. Got a bit left. I'll make a little fridge magnet. Get these domed so I don't have any cleaning up to do. Now I really will see on demould. I'm going to pour a nice thin layer. Let's see how this was 150 mils. Let's just see if it covers it. Don't want too much course. I want to put a back coat on it. Make sure it's to the edges. We don't want any bubbles if we can help it. Have a run round there, just in case. Now for the messy bit. I'm going to let the resin take it nice and gently without squeezing all the resin out. I really don't want any bubbles, so I'm going to be as careful as possible. I've seen some people do it and they just put it down and they don't get any bubbles. I don't understand. And very gently I'm going to give it a squish, make sure it's not stuck. Hopefully it'll stay in one place, but I don't think it's going to. I'm going to keep an eye on it and I'll be back when I take the cling film off. Right, it's night time now and it's all hardened up, ready to take this off, but I'm afraid I don't know if you can see these are perfect, but it's kind of straightened out here, so we'll have to just wait and see. It's coming off way too easy, which makes me think it's not worked. A lot of tidying up to do. Try not to go near the mould. Oh, that's coming off. I really do have a feeling that that's not worked. I don't know whether this is resin or the plastic. Very strange. And because I've never done it before, I don't know whether this is normal or what. I'll just go around with these nippers and then we'll get the chameleon powders out. I'm going to be using the chameleon powders from Nick Pro. I've had a look at them and I think because I've used that green, I want to use this teal colour. So we're just going to brush this on. Looks like I've used it before, but I don't think I have. Let's hope it sticks because it is fully cured now. Let that dry for a little while and then I'll put the powder on. Right, that just flew absolutely everywhere with the big brush. I'm going to get some resin mixed up. I'm going to make it in the same green as the rim and then I'll be right back. Last coat to go on now. I've just mixed it with the same May Springs Emerald Green and I'm just going to pour it in. I've made 150 mils here. Such a lovely colour. Right, let's help it over here because there's some little air pockets at the side. From what I've seen other people do, there's always a lot of trimming. There's this one here. Let's fill it up. Like I say, I'm pretty sure the plastic had straightened out with the force of the resin. So I'm not holding out any hope that this is going to turn out right. But trust the process and carry on. Fingers crossed. I'll see you on demold and it'll be beautiful. Right, still a little bit warm, but let's have a look, shall we? Because I can't wait. This is the first time using this mould, so I don't know what to expect really. That colour's gorgeous, isn't it? Bit of gold in it. Oh, see, I was right. I'm very disappointed. That bit's worked perfectly, but this is straightened out. Oh, what a shame, because the colours are wonderful. I'm going to have another go. I'm going to have another go. And I think what I'll do next time, I'll let the resin really firm up before I scrunch with the plastic, because it was obviously too fluid and it just straightened out, just pulled. If it were like that, it would look fantastic. I'm going to try it again because I want to prove to myself I can do this. It's worked perfectly this time. I can see it stayed. I put things all around it like scissors and heavier boxes just to make sure that the plastic didn't move. But it was better with it thickened up, the resin thickened up, that's for sure. I'll even spread this out and then we will wait for demold. Right, let's take a look. Didn't quite cover there. I've not left enough space for it, so we'll see if that makes a difference. Still a bit soft. It's been in the G3. I'm just excited to get it out. You know what it's like. Oh, I can see the blue. Oh, that's come out really well. I like it. Needs trimming around there, and I'll pop some black foam perhaps on the base. Yeah, that's very nice. And like I say, the other one straightened there, which is a shame. If it'd been all like that, that colour would have been excellent, wouldn't it? Anyway, what I thought was these were the extra resin that I put in them little 4 things, and I've used Let's Resin marker pens just to do that. So there's live, hope, love. They've all got like little dots on. So I thought they can just cover that up. There's ways and means, isn't there? If they just cover that up, it looks lovely. I prefer them colours. I mean, I love purple, but them colours are much better, aren't they? Right, I will take some photos of these, and then you can let me know in the comments, if you don't mind, which one you like the best. I'll trim all that up, make it look pretty. I like the fact you can see it in the outer rim. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you've got something out of this. It was good to try it. I really enjoyed trying it. I've never tried it. Will I use it again? Possibly. I don't know. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.